Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about identifiers in Java. An identifier is the name used to identify variables, methods, classes, or user-defined elements. We see here for example, we see here main class. In main class, the class name main is an identifier and method name main is an identifier. Args is an identifier, value is an identifier. So we can conclude that identifier is used to identify something in our Java program. So we have rules for identifiers. Whenever we are writing identifiers, we should follow these rules. Violation of these rules may lead into errors. So our first rule is only allowed characters are lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, 0 to 9, dollar, and underscore symbol. These are the allowed characters in our identifiers. So for example, we can see here myvar name 01 str underscore 1 underscore var underscore dollar and underscore dollar. These are valid identifiers. If you see these, next line, where. Here and symbol is not allowed in writing identifiers, and at the rate symbol is not allowed, hash symbol is not allowed, hyphen symbol is not allowed. So these are invalid identifiers. And the second rule is identifiers cannot begin with a digit. We should not write any identifier beginning with a digit. Here, first identifier is started with a 2, 4, name. So here it is begin with a digit, so it is invalid identifier. And next 0, 5, where it is also an invalid identifier. Next, as we all know that Java is case sensitive, so we all the identifiers are case sensitive. The lowercase name is not equals to the uppercase name, and these three are different: lowercase name and capital NAME and combination of lowercase and uppercase. These three are different whenever we write code in Java. And the next rule is in identifiers we cannot use reserved words as identifiers. If we see an example, int is a type and if is equals to 20, we should not use like this, if is equals to 20, or we can see some other reserved words: if, else, switch, break, continue, while, do, for, return. These are all the reserved words in Java, so we could not use these as an identifier in Java. Next, fifth rule is all predefined Java classes and interface names can be used as identifiers in Java, but it is not recommended because it may lead to confuse for the programmers and it may decrease the readability of a code. Int string is equals to 10. Here the string is a predefined class in Java, and int runnable is equals to 100. Here the runnable is an interface in Java and thread is a predefined class in Java. We can use these as identifiers but not recommended. So we will not get any error in printing all these. And now we go for exercise. So you will pause the video and answer these all the identifiers which are valid and invalid. So now see the answers for this. First one, my variable. My variable doesn't violate any rules of identifier, so it is valid. Next one is to_nd variable. So as we see in the rules that an identifier should not begin with a digit, so it is invalid. And the third one is underscore private. It is also valid. We can start identifiers with underscore, dollar, or dollar symbol. So, and the next example also correct, valid. And here we see class. Class is a reserved word in Java, so we should not use it as an identifier, so it is invalid. Max hyphen value. Max hyphen should not be used in identifiers, so it is also invalid. And uppercase max underscore value, it is valid. And next is total amount 123. It is also valid. Void is a reserved word in Java, so we should not use this. So it is invalid. And underscore underscore init underscore underscore. It is also valid because it doesn't violate any rules of identifiers in Java. Thank you for today. Please subscribe and like and share for more videos.